fast time sinking. Market stalls, hues galore, stories share, me and more. Lake so clear like the sky, clouds reflected slowly fly. Fields of flowers soft and sweet, wonder world at my feet. Moments pass like starlight, each side leaves a heart mark. Time may fly, always know these travels a warm glow. Travel tales a bright show, new places my heart does glow. Each step a story sewn, in this trip I'm on my own. Travel dreams a soft refrain, grand scenes in my domain. Dawn to dusk I won't wane, this travel song my soul's chain. Valleys low, mountains high, I keep moving, not aside. World's a book, I'll read it through. Alone or not, I'll push on too. No matter where roads may lead, these memories I'll always heed. Each sight gives my heart release, in travel's arms I find my peace. Travel tales a bright show, new place my heart does glow. Each step a story sewn, in this trip I'm on my own. Travel dreams a soft refrain, grand scenes in my domain. Dawn to dusk I won't wane, this travel song my soul's chain. As sun sets on my way, these tales I'll keep each day. In this wide world I'll leave a trace, with travel's charm, a smiling face.